How to restore WhatsApp backup from iCloud. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First of all, head over to your application WhatsApp, enter your login credentials, and then log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're inside the settings, you need to head over to chat. It will land you on space. Now simply move into chat backup. It will be landing you in the space. So in order to enable the WhatsApp backup, first of all you have to go to the iPhone settings and then move into profile. After that, head over to iCloud and turn on the application of WhatsApp. Once you have turned on, all of your WhatsApp chats will start to back up on a device. You can also set it to auto backup, which includes videos and photos. And once you have enabled this feature, you will be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.